the chalk. Just comes right off. All right, so I am going to do a reverse dye on this. I'm going to do a fold. I saw this with somebody. They didn't do reverse dye on it, but I'm going to give it a shot. So if I do one, so hopefully those will come up with two. Let's see what happens. I want it to come to this shoulder a little bit, so. There we go. Okay, so here's my collar. So I'm going to start it about here. And just go right straight around. All right. I'm probably going to use string to do this. So now I'm going to do a fold. Also going to put a little rubber band around here. There we go. All right. So I'm going to attempt this side. I like this side better. I'm going to attempt to do my reverse dye on this too. Let's see what happens. Haha. All right. Here is my sleep shirt. I've got it tied, and I'm just going to lay this inside to see what happens. And here again, I'm going to put dye. So it's actually going to get some dye on the outside of it from the underneath. So we'll see what happens here. Just something I'm going to sleep in, so it doesn't really matter. There we go. All right. I'll check back on it in about 30 minutes. Okay, so here's the red one that I did. I'm not overly happy with the colors. I thought it would be more white. So what I'm going to do, out of curiosity, I have some purple and black. All right, so I'm gonna, out of curiosity, I'm gonna put a little bit of purple here just to see what it looks like. All right. Well, this may be a total fiasco, but it'll be my fiasco. Mad scientist that I am. All right. I'm sure there'll be white inside of it, but we'll see what happens. All right. Okie dokie. All right. This is one that I dyed. Card wants to go play. That I Cloroxed. Basically, it's a red nightshirt. Red t-shirt nightshirt. And I did an accordion fold on this one. And then I used kite string to tie it up. Used bleach on it to get rid of, it was red to start with. So I used bleach to take color out of sections. And then I went in with black, purple, and lavender. And dyed some of the area that the color had been stripped out of by the Clorox. Right now I'm just cutting off all the kite string. In most videos I watch, they actually take their time and they unwind it. Take a little bit of a look here. There's the front. Remember, this is a, oh, that's kind of interesting, isn't it? There we go. See the fan fold? That's kind of cool. Let me wash it out. Yeah, let me wash it, dry it, and we'll take a look at the final product. This may turn out kind of cute. This is the reverse dye t-shirt that I did. It's actually a sleepwear t-shirt. I used a red t-shirt. I did a spiral on it. Here's one right here. And it was actually a double spiral. And then this turned out to be the second one, which was kind of interesting that it turned out that way. I wouldn't have thought that, but that's okay. This was an experiment. So I used Clorox to mute out areas of the red, and then I came back in on the same spiral and added black and purple to it. Which actually kind of turned out interesting. These are my new jammies. So, what do y'all think? There's the back of it. I'm not sure I really like this right here. I think there's too much black. But as I said, it's just a, it was a test. I hadn't tried this reverse dye, so I did this shirt and another, or these jammies and another shirt. So give me your thoughts.